Ever since the dawn of time, evolution has been taking place in every living organism. As an environment changes, so do its inhabitants. This process takes place in all creatures, big and small, is known as natural selection. The theory was the result of findings by biologist Charles Darwin during his expedition on the HMS Beagle to the Galapagos Islands in the 19th century. Through his observations, he observed that specific species, through variation, were able to eat certain food. Thus, he theorized that species end up diversifying across many generations to better suit their environments due to what he would later call natural selection. The better adapted animals, through reproduction, have their offspring inherit their genetic characteristics, otherwise known as phenotypes, over the course of many generations until a new species emerges. To elaborate, survival of the fittest can occur also when a species' habitat either sees dramatic changes, such as the species becoming geographically isolated, such as the finches of the Galapagos, which, having been isolated, saw already evolved populations thriving to eat differently with varied beaks on varied species than their unevolved ancestors. Reproduction across generations will result in an organism becoming better suited at thriving in its new environment. But it's a process that can take millions of years. Those that haven't undergone evolution are unlikely to thrive in their new environment. In fact, they may face extinction, the complete disappearance of a species. In an adapted species, these new traits can range in purpose from camouflage to hide from predators, different shaped mouths to feed on different food, various skin types to better survive in their new habitats, such as hardened, spiny skin to live in hot deserts. While Darwin's theory would take time to be accepted, his ideas would eventually shape the foundations for evolutionary biology for years to come, thanks to the discovery of fossils and DNA. These discoveries were made by great and intelligent scientists working to develop and continue the advancement of biology and how living beings come to be what they are.